Hi everyone, Dr. David here from Sprouting Health Chiropractic, Hunter Valley Practice. So today blog is it's a bit of a short one. It's more like a reminder about your upper neck dysfunction. So upper neck dysfunctions can come from knocks and bumps, head trauma and things like that. And beyond concussion, or besides concussion that we have mentioned previously in other blogs, that these knocks and bumps can actually affect how your upper cervical spine, so your upper neck, how they function, and the effects can be more than you think, and sometimes you don't just observe that effects with just pain, so it can go beyond pain. So let's have a look at what these knocks and bumps and upper cervical dysfunction can lead to, something that you cannot think, because we're also thinking about little babies as well, because when they are coming out into our world, this upper neck dysfunction can actually affect a lot of things in little baby growth and the brain development. So for example, just to give you one example about artery and veins that connects the heart and the brain. If there is a bit of compression, if the, for example, blood pressure are not getting up to what baby needs to have, then for example, nutrition and oxygen to the brain will not be enough for that baby to function normally and develop a healthy nervous system, for example. So more that we can look into is adding on top of that is somatic motor dysfunction in the past, so connection between the sensory organs, hands, gesture, posture and things like that can be affected. And if we talked about neuroplasticities as well, so our brain is actually built from the environment and different stimulation that actually collect information collecting from your sensory organs to your brain, and it kind of mold your brain. So everyone has different experiences when they grow up, and that's how it makes everyone different. So if we have a bit of dysfunction up the top, obviously there are more other reasons that can affect this, but then if there is a bit of upper neck dysfunction, it can really affect how your brain can then adapt to the environment when we grow up. And not to mention, a lot of people's complaint, which is a bit of neck pain, inflammation in our neck, and potentially giving you a bit of headaches as well. So chiropractic can definitely help address these issues and help manage those issues that we've just mentioned. So come and have a chat to us if you have any concerns, and especially with the young ones. It's a bit of a simple one, so everyone have a great weekend. I will see you next week.